Why do individuals often select romantic partners who resemble their opposite-sex parents? Various psychological and biological factors influence this phenomenon. 1. Parental influence on partner selection. A study by psychologist Glenn Gear found that people tend to choose romantic partners similar to their opposite-sex parents. Participants reported resemblances between their partners and parents, which were corroborated through interviews. Positive similarities correlated with higher relationship satisfaction, while negative traits led to lower satisfaction. Attachment theory. Early relationships with parents shape attachment styles, influencing later romantic preferences. Secure attachments to opposite-sex parents may lead individuals to seek partners with similar nurturing or protective qualities. Role modeling. Parents are primary models of gender roles and interpersonal behavior. A daughter observing her father's kindness and responsibility might subconsciously seek a partner who mirrors these traits. Emotional familiarity. Traits exhibited by parents during formative years create a baseline of familiarity. People are often drawn to partners who evoke the same comfort and safety they associate with their opposite-sex parents. 2. Ethnic similarity and partner choice research, published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships, observed that individuals often select partners from the same ethnic group as their opposite-sex parent. In cases of mixed-race marriages followed by remarriage, 2/3 chose partners matching the ethnicity of their opposite-sex parent, suggesting early exposure influences partner preferences. Exposure effect. Frequent exposure to certain physical and cultural traits in childhood increases the likelihood of finding those traits attractive later. This aligns with the mere exposure effect, where familiarity breeds preference. Cultural continuity. Marrying someone with the same ethnic background as one's opposite-sex parent often reflects the desire to maintain cultural traditions and values instilled during upbringing. Identity anchoring. Partners resembling one's opposite-sex parent in ethnicity may reinforce a sense of identity and continuity within the family lineage. 3. Transference and familiarity. A study from Michigan State University found that people are romantically interested in individuals resembling their exes or parents, a concept known as transference. This pattern persists across different age groups, indicating a consistent tendency to seek familiarity in romantic relationships. Psychological transference. This phenomenon occurs when individuals transfer feelings and expectations from significant figures in their past, like parents, to new partners. For example, if a father provides emotional security, a woman might unconsciously seek a partner who exhibits similar traits. Positive reinforcement. Experiences with nurturing or loving parents condition individuals to associate certain traits with safety and affection, creating a bias toward partners with those attributes. Emotional safety in familiarity. People gravitate toward what feels emotionally familiar, as it minimizes uncertainty and promotes relationship stability. 4. Sexual imprinting. The concept of sexual imprinting suggests that early exposure to parental characteristics can shape future mate preferences. Individuals may develop an unconscious attraction to traits exhibited by their opposite-sex parent, influencing partner selection. Developmental psychology. Sexual imprinting posits that individuals form preferences for mate selection based on the traits of their caregivers, especially during critical developmental periods. Physical traits. Studies suggest that children often grow up to prefer partners who physically resemble their opposite-sex parent, e.g., hair color, eye color, height. Behavioral traits. Beyond appearance, early exposure to specific behavioral patterns, such as humor, empathy, or confidence, can influence mate preferences. Unconscious bias. These preferences operate largely at an unconscious level, driven by deeply ingrained memories of the opposite-sex parent. 5. Evolutionary perspectives. Evolutionary psychology proposes that selecting partners resembling one's opposite-sex parent may have adaptive benefits, such as ensuring compatibility and stability in offspring rearing. Familiar traits can signal safety and reliability, factors advantageous in long-term partnerships. Genetic compatibility. Choosing partners resembling opposite-sex parents might signal compatibility, as shared traits suggest genetic health and stability. Familiarity as a survival mechanism. Evolutionary psychology suggests that humans are drawn to familiar traits because they reduce perceived risks in mate selection. Familiarity signals trustworthiness and reduces the cognitive load of assessing new individuals. Parental investment theory. According to this theory, preferences for partners resembling a parent may stem from the belief that these partners will exhibit similar parental traits, ensuring the welfare of future offspring. Conclusion. The tendency to be attracted to partners who resemble one's opposite-sex parent is shaped by a combination of psychological, cultural, and evolutionary factors. These preferences are often unconscious and reflect the interplay between early life experiences, familial conditioning, and innate human behaviors. Understanding these dynamics provides valuable insights into how early attachments and familial patterns influence adult romantic relationships.